You might look at this and think, what else could you possibly do to it? Well, Owen has decided he doesn't like the gloss finish on the car anymore. He wants it turned into a matte finish on top of the matte graphics he's already got and the factory blue paint job. So that's what we'll do. We'll turn the full car into matte stealth looking car. We've already prepped the car, it's already been washed, we've stripped it off. It's also got a roof rack and the roof box that we need to do. We've stripped all the door handles off, mirrors, just so we can get a nicer coverage, as little joints as possible. As we know, PPF can't be wrapped around the edges like a wrap, so it does expose and show the original edges somewhere. Doing it like this, we will minimize any joints and any shown shiny edges. Okay, so we have made quite a progress. The rear bumper is done, the full boot lid is done. Also, we're not only doing the actually painted blue surfaces, we've done this gloss black trim, and we're also going to do this, so everything is going to turn into matte. This side is fully, completely done. Extremely tricky with the livery because the water is getting trapped on it and it just like leaves water bubbles behind, but we have managed to get it down nicely. We have also laid down the front end, so the bonnet is all laid down. We're just letting it set a bit before we go around, trim all the edges. Up next, while that's drying, I think we'll go with the front bumper. We're doing something a little bit different on the front bumper as well. It's not just the PPF, so if we look at this, so most of the bumper is already covered by the livery, so parts are red, parts are black. So these blue parts, firstly gonna wrap in carbon PPF material, which was on the wings and the bonnet there. So all of this blue is gonna go into gloss carbon PPF, and then on top of that, on the top of the full bumper, we're gonna do the matte PPF. So it's a lot of layers, it's a lot of work, but I think we are making a nice progress and not long till it's all done. That's the front bumper, all done. As I explained previously, what we did the carbon wrap on the quarter sections and the matte PPF over the full bumper. There's still some loose edges that we need to go around and heat down. We're just letting it set a bit. That's pretty much the front end done. There's one more thing we're going to be doing with the headlights, but we'll leave that for now. Next up, we're going to do the gloss PPF on the chrome roof just to get that protected. But before we jump onto that, I wanted to quickly show you what I meant by how hard it is to lay the PPF because of the livery. So this door is a great example. So there's obviously a recessed area here that we need to lay the material in. Wherever there's no livery, it sits in nicely and flush. Wherever it goes over the letters along the sides there, it's letting air and water in, and it doesn't want to stick down. So you put it down and it just all comes back. So we'll have to come back to it at a later stage when it's a little bit more set, and hopefully we can get it all down. The other side we managed quite fine, so I'm sure we'll manage this one as well. It was exactly the same story with the bonnet, but yeah, it's not always smooth sailing, but we will get it done sooner or later. Final part of the puzzle on new carbon fiber spoiler, and we've also matte PPF'd it. The car is completely done. We've matte PPF'd the roof, rest of the car, the back lights, the front lights, carbon PPF on the front bumper and matte PPF over the top of it. We've also fitted some spacers and customer brought his freshly painted wheels on. It's been a massive transformation. Hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one.